Hello and welcome! In this guide, I'm going to provide a complete walkthrough of how to use Magic Assistant. Magic Assistant is an advanced agentic AI software, much like ChatGPT, where you provide a command and something is generated. However, the unique capability of this software is its versatility. You can use its features for multiple purposes, including generating high-quality images and even videos from a single, simple command. You provide the instruction and you get the results. As you can see on my screen, there are a few projects that have already been completed. To begin a new project with Magic Assistant, we'll start by uploading our source images. Getting started. Uploading your assets. To begin, click on the Upload Image button. Here, you have the option to use recent images from previous sessions or upload multiple new images from your device. For this demonstration, I'm going to upload two separate images, one of a model and another of a shoe. Once I select them, they are uploaded into the project. After confirming, we are taken to the main chatting platform. This is our creative workspace where we will give commands to generate and refine our final results. Understanding the interface. A detailed walkthrough. Before we start generating, I need to quickly show you the features of the interface and explain how they work. The chat panel, left side. This area on the left is your main chat feed. It displays a history of your interactions and the results that were generated at each step, allowing you to track your entire creative process. The image panel, right side. On the right, you can see the original images that you uploaded for the project. In our case, we see the two images. If we had uploaded 5 images, all 5 would be displayed here. This panel will also showcase the most recently generated images for easy reference. The prompt and generation bar, bottom. Image upload. You can upload a new image directly here. This is useful for when you want to use a specific generated image as a new input. Command line. This is where you will type your text prompts to instruct the AI. Aspect ratio selector. This menu allows you to choose the dimensions for your output. 1:1 is the default square ratio, perfect for Facebook and Instagram. 16:9 is the widescreen format used for YouTube videos. 9:16 is the vertical format ideal for mobile videos on platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels. 4:3 is a standard portrait mode. 3:2 is a standard horizontal mode. The default is auto, which will generate a square 1:1 image or video. The control toggles. These switches give you precise control over the generation process. Use input image. Toggle. When this toggle is on, the AI will use an image that you've specifically uploaded into the bottom bar as the sole input for the next generation. This is incredibly useful if you generate a result you like, download it, and want to continue editing from that specific point without risk of losing it. You can simply upload it here, toggle this on, and continue your work. For now, this should be off. Use original images. Toggle. When this toggle is on, the AI will always refer back to the initial images that you first uploaded to start the project. We will use this to combine our model and shoe. If you find a good result and want to start editing that result, you can turn this toggle off. Video mode. Toggle. When this is switched on, your prompt will instruct the AI to convert the most recent image into a video. To generate images, this should be off. To generate a video, this must be on. Assistant mode. Toggle. This is your AI helper. If you're unsure how to write an effective prompt or need creative ideas, you can turn this on and ask the assistant for help. It can analyze your images and provide detailed prompt suggestions for characters, backgrounds, or video concepts, generating and editing an image. Now let's start with our first generation. My goal is to place the shoes from the second image onto the model from the first image and have her running on a racetrack. Activate Use Original Images. First, and most importantly, I'll turn the Use Original Images toggle on. This ensures the AI combines the specific model and shoes we uploaded. Note, if you forget this step, the AI might generate a generic image that doesn't use your assets, so always be mindful of this toggle when combining elements. Write the prompt. I'll type a simple instruction. A girl running on a racetrack with these shoes. Generate. Let's hit Next. The image is now generating. As you can see, wow! It has perfectly combined our two images. We only provided a side view of the shoes, but the AI has intelligently generated a front-facing angle that matches the scene. The girl is on a racetrack, wearing the correct shoes. Now, let's refine this image. I like the shoes and the setting. but I want to change her clothing. Deactivate Use Original Images. I will now switch the Use Original Images toggle off. This tells the AI to work on the most recently generated image, not the initial uploads. Write the new prompt. My instruction will be, change the girl's dress to a tracksuit. Generate. Let's see the result. Perfect. The image has been updated. She is now wearing a tracksuit, and nothing else about the image, like the shoes or the background, has been changed. We now have our perfect base image. Creating a video from an image next. Let's bring our image to life by turning it into a short video. Activate video mode. I'll switch the video mode toggle on. Write a video prompt. I'll describe both the subject's action and the camera movement. My prompt is, a girl is running fast towards the camera and the camera is zooming out very fast. You can describe any camera motion you want, such as rotating, orbiting, or zooming. Generate. I'll make sure my prompt is copied, as it can sometimes disappear. Paste it again, ensure video mode is on, and hit generate. It will take a few seconds to generate the video. And here is our result. The girl is running and the camera is zooming out as instructed. It's a fantastic effect, using assistant mode for creative ideas. Now let me show you the power of the assistant mode. Let's say we want to change the background but aren't sure what to put there. Activate assistant mode. I'll turn this toggle on. The assistant is now active and will recognize the context of our last generated image. Ask for suggestions. I'll ask the assistant, can you suggest some prompts to change the background of this image? Review suggestions. The assistant understands the image and provides several excellent suggestions based on the theme, such as an outdoor track, a cityscape, a naturescape, or a fitness studio. I like the idea of a scenic mountain landscape with a vibrant sky and clouds. Generate with a new prompt. I will copy that prompt, exit the assistant mode, paste the prompt into the command line, and hit enter. The AI will now generate a new image based on our last one, but with a new background. The result is beautiful. The racetrack has been seamlessly blended into a mountain landscape, and she is now running in the mountains. You can continue to try more and more ideas this way. Advanced editing and object removal. Let me show you a different scenario to highlight another powerful feature. Start a new project. I'll upload a new image of a girl drinking an energy can in a cafe. This time, I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for a widescreen image. Initial generation. My prompt is simple. A girl drinking an energy can at a cafe. The result looks great. It's the same girl with the same attire, now in a cafe setting. Identify an issue. However, there is a man in the background that I would like to remove. Use an in-painting prompt. To fix this, I will simply give a direct command. My new prompt is, remove the man behind the girl. And just like that, the AI has edited the image, and the man behind her has been completely removed. This kind of task could take a significant amount of time in traditional software like Photoshop, but here, it's done in seconds. AI has become incredibly smart, and tools like Magic Assistant centralize the power of multiple software programs into a single intuitive place. You no longer need separate tools like ChatGPT for ideas, another for image generation, and a third for video. It provides consistent results, which is one of the most important aspects of any creative workflow. I really appreciate your time, and I hope you found this training helpful. If you have any queries or need assistance, please feel free to ask our support team. We are always there to help you out. Thank you, and bye-bye.